Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling the feature to record recent gameplay on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Gaming. In Gaming Settings, select Captures. Under Recording Preferences, you'll see the option called Record What Just Happened. You can enable or disable that here. When it's enabled, if something cool happens in your game, you can press the Windows logo, key, Alt, and G to capture the last few seconds or minutes of the game. If you press the arrow icon beside the On/Off button, you can customize it and choose how far back to save the recording, the last 15 seconds up to the last 10 minutes. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.